Welcome back to YDC, to all my yarn collectors and stitch enthusiasts. Today is going to be another wonderful episode of our stitch collection. Today we will be doing a front post double crochet. We will start using a 4-weight, or I will be starting with a 4-weight for my yarns in beige. That's my standard go-to, but we're almost out. Well, we should be able to do a few more, and I will be using, you might be able to read it, a 5mm hook, which is, whoops, there goes the end of the yarn, with the recommended hook for whichever yarn you're going to use for this one. So let's go ahead and get started with your slip knot. Remember to leave enough for your tail. This is what our swatch will look like when we're done. Leaves a really cool pattern. So let's get started. Okay, let's get our slip knot going. Gonna start by chaining 15 and 2 for a turning chain. You can do it as long as you want for whatever project you're going for. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Now our plus 2 for the turning chain. 1 and 2. So we yarn over, and 1, 2, let me get that in nice and close so everybody can see. There we go. Okay, so pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, and pull through 2. And you're going to want to make a double crochet all the way across. I'll do a couple more and then I'll meet you at the end. Yarn over, insert your hook, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, and pull, yarn over, pull through 2, pull through 2. Okay, go ahead and finish up double crocheting all the way across, and I'll meet you at the end. Okay, I have 2 more to go. So we yarned over, put in the second to last, pull up a loop, pull through 2, yarn over, last one, pull up a loop, pull up a loop. Okay, now we're going to chain 2, 1, 2, turn our work. Okay, put our stitch marker on. Okay, yarn over, insert our hook into that stitch. Actually, nope, I don't want to insert there. Okay, yarn over, and this is a front post double. So instead of inserting our hook here, we want to go just below and to the right of this post down here. So right in there, underneath, right there. And then we pull up a loop, pull through, and finish up. Yarn, so we pull up a loop, pull through 2, whoop, yarn over, and pull through the 2. And then we do that all the way across. I'll show you again. Underneath everything, like so. Pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, pull through 2, yarn over, from right to left, or left to right depending on which way you crochet, but through underneath the post on the front side, you pull up a loop, pull through 2, pull through 2. I'll do a few more for you. Under the loop, or under the post, my bad, pull up a loop, pull through 2, pull through 2. And it makes such a pretty design. Pull up a loop, pull through 2, pull through 2. There you go. Pull up that loop. Pull through 2, pull through 2, yarn over, under that loop, pull that loop, the loop back through. Okay, yarn over, put your hook under the post, out the other side, pull up the loop, yarn over again, pull another loop through 2, pull through 2. Yarn over, under the post, out the other side, yarn over, grab some yarn, pull it through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Yarn over, under the post, get some yarn, pull it through for a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Okay, yarn over, under the post, grab some yarn, pull it through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Okay, so yarn over, under that post on one side, out the other side, grab some yarn, pull it back through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Okay, only a couple more in this row. Yarn over, under the post, out the other side, grab a loop, pull it through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Whoops. Okay, yarn over, under the post, out the other side, yarn over, pull up a loop, pull it through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through the last 2. Okay, this is our one before our turning chain. So pull up that loop, yarn over, pull through 2, pull through 2. Okay, now this is going to be our turning chain. So we still have to do that last double crochet into the top of our turning chain. Oh, gotta make sure we get both sides of that turning chain. There we go. We got. Do you do a standard double crochet in that turning chain? And then you chain 2. Move your stitch marker up. Turn your work. See how that's got a pretty design already? Look at that. Okay, so now for the next row. Yarn over. On the first stitch below, you do the same thing. Start with your yarn over, go under the, you don't work into the first space, but you go in first under the post of the first double crochet, and then yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through two, pull through two, the next one, work around in the front of the, from one side of the post to the other, and insert your hook, pull up some yarn. Now you have 3 on your hook, yarn over, pull through 2, pull through 2. In the front of the post, so grab some yarn, pull up a loop, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull up a loop, pull up a loop. There we go. This is a wonderful stitch. I love doing things with the stitch because I love the little pattern it makes. It's so much fun. Okay, now we're at the turning chain, so make sure you get both loops of the turning chain. One, two. We'll do one more row. And I'd love to hear what you think about this stitch after you give it a try. Whoop. Okay, so again, into the front loop, pull up a loop, pull through two, pull through two. So what do you think so far? Lots of fun. Pretty quick workup too. It grows nicely. It does seem, it just, you know, it's just like your standard double crochet. It grows. I mean, yeah, you have a little bit of a nice texture, so it takes it down a little bit as far as height, but it still grows really quickly, really nice. A good thick, well, for this yarn it's thick because obviously it's a little bit thicker of a weight of a yarn, but it's a wonderful fun pattern, texture, fabric you're making with it. I enjoy it. I enjoy it a lot. But then again, there's not many stitches I don't enjoy. I like the fun things you can create with yarn and different stitches. I think that's why I enjoy making a bunch of different stitches. I'd love to hear your thoughts on these stitch tutorials, if you're enjoying them, if you're not, and rather me not do them, or want more difficult stitches, or just like to hear your feedback. Okay, there you go. Okay. I cut that awful short, but thank you for joining me, and you have a great day.